Hello everyone, my name is Monique Bryant and I am the Director of HMIS Administration for the Northwest Louisiana region. And today we are going to be showing you how to run a data quality report. You would run this data quality report to see if you have any errors in your data entry. And so the first thing that you would do, of course, is to log in to your system. Once you log in, you're probably going to be on your home screen, which is this screen right here. And then all you need to do is go to reports. And the report that you will run for data quality is the 2026 FY 2026 Data Quality Framework Report. Now, if you are looking at this video in, let's say, 2028 and you're needing to run a data quality report, it will probably have a different year. Okay. And so you would come to this screen right here. If you have not run any reports, then under report run history, you may not see anything. Right now, of course, I've ran reports, so you're going to see reports populated here up top. But if not, you will just go down here and you will select your program. Now, my system is a little bit different. You would, of course, have EDA or enter data as your project. And that is going to be located up in the right hand corner right here. If you can see where I have shadow mode, backdate mode, and connect to business objects, you should have enter data as up there. Just like you would normally do. You would enter data as whatever program you are working in. So you would go ahead and EDA. What I have to do, I'm going to run a report for project ID 31372 today, which is VOA SSVF Rapid Rehousing Program. And I'm going to choose that one. And once I do that, then I just need to put in my program date range. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in the fiscal year to today. And I'm going to click all of these little dots right here. And once I do that, I can click build report. And you'll see that there's a report up here now that says running. You will refresh until it says completed. If you're running a lot of data, sometimes you may have to click refresh a couple of times. So once you get a report status of completed, then you will come over here to the magnifying glass, click that, and then your report populates here. Starting at area Q2 is where you're going to see your errors. Q2, Q3, Q4, and Q5 is what you kind of need to pay attention to. Excuse me. In Q2, it's going to show you a couple of things. It's going to show you any name errors that you have, any social security number errors that you have, any date of birth errors that you have, and any race and ethnicity errors that you have. Now, I'm not going to actually click on the numbers only because this is live data and we want to keep everything confidential. So you would just click on the number here in the total column and you will see what clients that particular error encompasses. So then you would just take note of those client ID numbers. You would go over to your clients, put that client ID number there, and then correct those particular errors. I'm just going to go back into the report. Q3 is veteran status, project start date, relationship to head of household, enrollment COC, and disabling condition. Again, you would click the number under the total column, see what clients those are, and then go and fix those errors. Same thing with destination, income sources at start, annual assessment, and exit. you could take care of those errors. And then here, the approximate date homelessness started, the number of times the client has been homeless in the last 3 years, number of times that the client has been homeless, in number of months, the clients have been homeless in the last 3 years. And once those errors are taken care of, ideally what you want to see is all zeros straight down. If you see a number anywhere in those sections that I just mentioned, then that means that you have errors that you need to correct. And if you see that, hey, I've done everything to try to fix this particular error and it is just not going away, then what you would do is just simply email me. My email address is mbryant@nwlahope.org. And after you email me, I'll check those out and get back with you, and then we'll work together to try to correct those errors. All right, that is all. Thank you guys for watching.